Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Fujitsu air conditioner in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by turning the air conditioner off, and for that you can just simply use the remote control. So as you can see on the Fujitsu remote control, you will find the start and the stop button. So if it is start already, you just have to press this yellow button in order to stop it. So once that is done, you need to also take a look at the circuit breaker, and you need to also basically turn it off from there. Afterwards, you just have to leave your unit and you just have to simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just have to basically turn everything on, and after doing so, the reset process will be started and you are going to see that it is reset successfully. So this is the manual reset process that you can use in order to basically reset your Fujitsu air conditioner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.